Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to find your deleted files or deleted documents on your iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go open the files, and this is the looks of the applications of files. Just need to click it and you will be generated into the phone storage of you. And now I would like to try delete one document, for example this one. I would like to delete this. So how to delete? You just need to click and hold until the menu is pop up, and you can see there is delete options here. So let's just click delete, and now we already delete those documents. Let's see, there is no, yeah, those document is no longer accessed on this folder. And how to bring those documents back? You just need to go click back into the beginning, the browse, and you can see here a recently deleted. You just need to click it and you will have an access into the several documents that you already deleted for approximately 30 days. So if you deleted more than 30 days here, the documents will be permanently disappear from your phone. So make sure that the documents that you deleted before is on the range of 30 days. And here we already have it, the documents that we just deleted before. And how to bring those back? You just need to do the same, click and hold until the menu is pop up, and after that you just need to go click recover. Okay, and where is the documents now? Go back in your on my iPhone, and the document is here, it's already back. So that's the way how to find and recover the documents that you already deleted. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.